Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing some cherry pop art as requested per some people on Instagram from back when I did the challenge in June and we did pop art there. There was a cherry nail that everybody wanted more cherries. So cherries you shall get. We have a full set here. Here are the products, some of the products that we'll be using anytime I do use one that wasn't placed here in the front. I'll either write it on the screen for you or show you what I am using. And that is the design there. So we shall get right into the set. I did forget to put the white base layer down on the pinky, so we will have to go with that one for at least 2 or 3 coats of the yellow. All the rest have the white base and just takes 1 coat from there. So that one was too pink, so I had to mix it with that lighter cream color in order to kind of get a more flesh tone that matched kind of my nail bed color, so it didn't look too pink or too white or too crazy. You know how that goes. I like to match. Some people don't, but I do. So I'm just going to paint on the smile line here and the nail bed part on this nail. And then basically everything from here on out is going to be the same thing. We're going to be hand painting everything. So I'm not going to talk through the entire video here. I'm just going to let you guys kind of watch the process if that's what you're going to do. Or of course, skip on through to the end and you can see the result. It is entirely up to you. I appreciate you guys watching and I'll come back at the end. so there is the cherry nails. I did forget to paint the veins in the leaf, so I had to go back off camera and finish painting all the veins and all the leaves. So you'll see those in the pictures instead of on the nails right here themselves. But again, I definitely appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment down below what you think, and subscribe. All right, go over to Instagram and check me out too. There's a QR code in the back. Scan that and it'll take you right there. All right, bye guys.